DNS enumeration is the querying of various information with the aim of obtaining IP information, computer names, email servers, and other various records. Let's do this manually using the dig, Nslookup, and host tools. Host is a tool used to determine which specific domain an IP address resolves to. If I type host domain, it will resolve and find the IP that the domain resolves to. In some cases, it is possible to obtain the IPv4, IPv6 address, and even email servers. Dig is one of the most used tools for DNS enumeration. It is also known as the DNS Swiss Army knife. With it, we can see the IP address, global options,